Welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at that legendary Stihl 090 chainsaw. That's the 137cc motor, 8.36 cubic inch. Power head on this weighs 30 pounds. This is the biggest one-man chainsaw that Stihl's produced, capable of running up to a 72-inch bar and chain. This one features a 36-inch sprocket nose. That's a 404 chain. And we'll take a close-up look at some of the features this chainsaw has. Choke is right here. Your throttle. On the side over here is a manual override on the oiler. This has an automatic oiler inside here. And for most conditions, that's great. If you get in some pitchy wood, it's always nice to give it a couple extra pumps on that, get a little extra oil going to that bar. Keep it well lubed. Decompression valve's right on top. This button right here. Air cleaner underneath here. Nice and clean. Wrap handlebars, and two large, these are very large falling spikes. That spike comes out there 6 inches. This saw is made for some big wood, made for the big Doug firs, and it's set up that way. Chain tensioner, loosen the two bar nuts, and right here is your tensioner right here. It's a very nice saw, very good shape. It is used. It does run very well. And we'll go outside and make a cut with this saw.